Hello everyone. Today here we have a JE question on continuity and differentiability. Let us see. Let x of t is defined as 2 root 2 cos t root sin 2t and y of t is defined as 2 root 2 sin t root sin 2t, where t belongs to the open interval 0 to pi by 2. That is definitely first quadrant. Then what is the value of 1 plus dy by dx whole square divided by d square y by dx square at t equals to pi by 4. Okay. So definitely you can see that it is in the parametric form. So by parametric form, we know that dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So let us find one by one. X of t is defined as 2 root 2 cos t root sin 2t. Yes. So if I differentiate x with respect to t, here 2 root 2 is constant, of course, and for this we have to apply the product rule. So product rule, if I apply, what I'll get here, say it is minus sin t and the second term as it is, that is okay. Now plus the first term as it is and the derivative of second term, which becomes 1 upon 2 root sin 2t. The derivative of sin 2t will be cos 2t and the derivative of 2t is 2. Okay, so this is what I get. If I just rearrange this, I can see that it is in the form of sin A sin B, or before that let us take the LCM here. The LCM would be what? Root sin 2t. Yes, the LCM is root sin 2t. So here I'll get sin t. Root into root becomes, root into root becomes sin 2t. So this is sin 2t plus what remains here? Cos t into cos 2t. Now if you just observe, this is nothing but in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And what is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B? Cos of A plus B. Yes. So t plus 2t. That becomes cos 3t. Let this is your dx by dt. Similarly, if I differentiate y with respect to t, what I'll get here? 2 root 2. Okay. Again, I'll get here if I apply product rule, cos t sin 2t. Okay. Plus next sin t as it is 1 upon 2 root sin 2t into cos 2t into 2. Correct. So again here 2 and 2 cancels. If you take the LCM would be root sin 2t. So what I'll get here? This would be cos t sin 2t plus sin t cos 2t. If you just observe this, it is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, which becomes dy by dt 2 root 2 divided by sin 2t root. Okay, and this is sin of A plus B. That becomes 3t. So let this is equation 2. So now we want dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx would be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So if you observe from equation 1 and 2, 2 root 2 root sin 2t cancels. You will get sin 3t by cos 3t, which is tan 3t. Let this is equation 3. Okay. Now we also want dy by dx at t equals to pi by 4. So from here, dy by dx at x equals to pi by 4. What I'll get here? Tan 3 pi by 4, which is nothing but minus 1. Okay, let us keep it aside. Now we want second derivative 2. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, tan 3t will be secant square 3t into 3, and the derivative of t would be what? Dt by dx. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 times secant square 3t dt by dx. Now from equation 1, dx by dt is there. So if I reciprocate, I'll get dt by dx, which will be what? Root sin 2t divided by 2 root 2 into cos 3t. Is that correct? Also, we want d square y by dx square at t equals to pi by 4. So what I'll get here? Secant square 3 pi by 4 into 3 into root of sin 2 pi by 4 divided by 2 root 2 cos 3 pi by 4. Is that correct? So if you solve this everything, that is sin 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, square root of 1. Okay. Yes. So here I'll get the overall answer would be, and here dy by dx also we had got, no? The dy by dx answer was what? Minus 1. Yes. So now if I just keep it here, now come back to the question. What was the question? 1 plus dy by dx whole square divided by d square y by dx square. So from this what I'm getting? this would be 3 into 3 pi by 4. Okay, so that would be 2 into 1 into divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Correct? So this root 2 cancels, 2 and 2 cancels. The answer is minus 3. So what is your final answer? Sorry. We were solving secant square 3 pi by 4. That is pi minus pi by 4 you can write. So I'll get root 2 whole square, okay, which is minus, and this 3 as it is. Now 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2 and sin pi by 2 is 1. So here I'll get 1, okay. Here I'll get 1 upon 2 root 2 into cos 3 pi by 4, which is cos 3 pi by 4 is nothing but what? Pi minus pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4, that I'm going to get 2 root 2. Okay, pi minus pi by 4 is second quadrant, so that would be negative. So here this and this cancels. So completely if I take the answer, this is 1 plus dy by dx, we had got minus 1 whole square divided by what all is remaining here, root 2 square, that is 2. Okay, that is 2, and this is 3 with negative sign. Is that correct? So and this one 2 is remaining and this one 3 is remaining. Okay, so if I just solve this, I'm going to get the answer as minus 2 by 3. So the option is option D. Okay, so here 1 3 is remaining, yes, and this 3 dy by this 3. Okay, so minus 2 by 3. Thank you.